Hi. We want to show you how a business object repository can provide a very powerful user experience for change management and project teams. We are going to use a scenario where a pizza vendor is planning to offer a new product, garlic bites. The scenario demonstrates the value of linking processes with all the other business disciplines. Lisa will talk you through it. Lisa heads up our service delivery teams. And she is quite fond of pizza. Over to you, Lisa.
In this example, we're going to introduce a new product, garlic bites, using an object repository. Using an object-oriented repository allows the business analyst to combine pretty diagrams, technical models, spreadsheet analysis, and all the reporting you need to do in one tool. Using an object repository saves you hours of time checking consistency and allows you to pull all of your pretty pictures, technical diagrams, and reporting into one tool. You can easily create dashboards linking to the actual underlying information, making the repository accessible for all user groups. As we introduce garlic bites, we want to make sure we have the current infrastructure to support it. Process, capabilities, systems are all in the underlying repository, and we can easily pull in the pieces that are impacted by our new product. We can easily identify and highlight areas that are changing, making the handoff to IT or other departments easy and smooth. We can also create dashboards for strategy, metrics, even our customer journey, making sure that our project is aligned with our corporate strategy. These dashboards are fully customizable and are driven from the underlying information. Let's take a closer look at the underlying repository that powers all of our analysis. In our process diagram, we've used layers to help us manage the complexity of all the changes and new requirements. We can even create report templates that will auto-generate audit, reports, functional specs, or any other type of information we want to pull from these layers. One of the benefits of an object repository is the ability to incorporate all different types of modeling in the same repository. Everything is still linked together and consistent across all types of models. This particular view is very helpful for our business analysts in understanding all of the interconnections with our new product. They can identify pain points, new equipment required, even new regulations that may be brought on. New equipment can be easily identified, along with costing information that will roll up into our final reports. From our context view, it's easy to jump to the systems perspective and identify the systems that are going to be impacted by our changes. Our object-oriented repository even supports requirements management and the auto-generation of functional specs. An entirely customizable methodology allows our IT department to define and use their own notation, but everything is still linked together and supported in our underlying repository. Analysis tools within the repository make it easy to identify systems impacted by our process changes. From our systems view, we can also jump to the capabilities affected by our changes. Again, the attributes and modeling we use for our capabilities can be entirely defined by our user groups, creating buy-in and really powerful reports.
Thanks, Lisa. So, as you can see, a business object repository delivers consistency and integrity across all business disciplines. To find out more, contact us right now.
Thanks for watching.